What is going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys the results of this live trade that I took on a Bitcoin USD while scalping the 5-minute time frame. After this trade hits my take profit level, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. I'm going to show you the strategy, what indicator I used, and exactly how you can do this yourself. This video is going to be on the shorter side, but if you want longer live trade videos, guys, make sure to drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment down below, guys. And don't forget to join our free Discord server. So enough talking, guys. Let's get on with the trade. Alright, guys, so we're in. It's been about 5 minutes since I first entered. Pretty confident in this trade. The market's looking extremely bearish. Set at 1.5 risk to reward, or something like that, 1.48. Alright, guys, I'm back. Just had a quick lunch. It's been about 15 minutes. Trade is looking good. It's exactly what we wanted to see, so we're gonna keep letting it run, guys, and see exactly how it goes. All right, guys, so boom, we just hit our take profit level. As you guys can see, there was a slight move up, as you can see, guys, but with the use of the oscillator, I knew that it was best to stay in that trade. So that's a quick $600 profit right there. And now I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's done. Alright, guys, so I'm going to show you my exact strategy that I used to catch this nice move to the downside on Bitcoin while scalping with the 5-minute time frame, guys. This is one of the best indicators I think I've ever used while charting on TradingView. Alright, guys, so let's go over exactly how this strategy works and how you can get a 70 or 80% win rate while trading with this strategy. Alright, guys, so we're going to go back on the replay mode over here just to see what my analysis was before I entered the trade. So as you can see, guys, I am on the 5-minute time frame and we are trading Bitcoin USD. So first and foremost, we can tell that we're in a clear downtrend. So naturally, we'd be looking for short positions. So to fully confirm this downtrend, guys, we're going to go over to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, guys, we're in a clear downtrend. So if we go back on the 5-minute time frame over here. All right, so we're on the chart, guys. First thing you want to do is activate the Smart Algo indicator. Since Smart Algo is a premium indicator, you will not be able to see it on the public TradingView library. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to gain access to this indicator at the end of the video. Once you have the indicator activated, you're going to have to copy these settings right over here, guys. So once you open the Smart Algo settings tab, you're going to go over to Smart Logic and you're going to want to change it from Smart Signals to Smart Scalper mode. Once you do that, guys, you can tweak the sensitivity however you like. If you want kind of a guide on how the sensitivity works, make sure you join our free Discord and we have a guide over there for you. Or you can watch the Smart Algo course video, which should pop up on the screen somewhere. There is no best sensitivity, guys. I say this every single video. It's really up to your personal preference. We highly recommend you backtest multiple strategies with multiple different sensitivities and then stick with one sensitivity that you like, guys. If you find one sensitivity, stick to it. Don't keep changing your sensitivity over and over again. All right, next, guys, we're just going to scroll down all the way here. And we're going to activate the Smart Trend Sniper, guys. Next, guys, we're going to activate the trend panel. Personally, I positioned it at the bottom right and I kept it at small. Next, guys, we're going to activate the Smart Cloud over here and we're going to make sure to have it on an extremely fast trend, guys. So I mentioned this in the last video. Extremely fast trend is for scalping on the extremely low time frame. Fast trend would be for like a middle time frame and long trend would be for your higher time frame, guys. So once you have these features activated, you're ready to start trading. Tap OK. And this is what your chart should look like, guys. So as you can see right over here, we received our sell signal, and this is where I entered, right over here, guys. So when you get your sell signal, guys, you want to make sure to wait for the candle to fully close before you enter the trade, guys. And the same goes if you get a buy signal. So you'd get the sell signal, you would wait, and then once the candle is fully closed, you would enter right over here. This is just to make sure that the sell signal stays for the entire time that the candle is moving, guys. So once the candle is closed, you receive your sell signal. This is where you would want to enter. But first, you just want to make sure you have all your confirmations. So we check the higher time frame. We check the trend. Now, guys, our Smart Trend Cloud over here is telling us that we are in a bearish momentum. So that's another confirmation. Next, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to check the Trend Sniper. So as we can see over here, it was green. Then right about here, guys, it changed to red. So that's another confirmation. Next, we can see that the trend panel over here is fully bearish. This is only a 2-star signal, guys. But with all of our confirmations and all these time frames looking bearish, the trend being bearish, and the market strength being extremely low, guys, that is another confirmation to enter the trade. And then last but not least, we're going to activate the Smart Oscillator. So this oscillator will tell us if the market is overbought or oversold. So once the bars get super big, like right over here, guys, that means that the market is oversold. And if these columns are green, it would obviously mean that it's overbought. So guys, as we can see over here, that the oscillator was not looking too oversold. The columns were starting to get bigger and bigger, meaning that there's a high probability of the price pushing downwards. before getting too oversold and then eventually pushing back up. So that's about it, guys. That is the entire strategy. And if we let this trade run out, even though this was recorded live in the beginning of the video, we can just see that right over here, we hit our take profit level, guys. And as you can see, the price starts becoming way oversold right over here, guys, as we can see with the oscillator. So this would mean that we're eventually looking for a move up, guys. So if we let this play just a bit longer, guys. So as you can see, guys, as I said earlier, the price was expected to move back up because the market was getting really oversold. As we can see, guys, we got our buy signal. The sniper was looking green. The trend cloud was looking green. The oscillator was not too overbought, guys. This was a 4-star signal. These time frames are looking bullish and our market strength was extremely high, guys. So this would have been a great trade to take, as we can see, guys. But since we're trading with the trend, we will not be taking the signal because, as we mentioned earlier, we are in a clear downtrend, so we're only looking for sell signals. You could easily take this buy signal, guys. It's completely up to you. But guys, with trading comes psychology. You cannot take every signal you see, guys. You have to stick to your strategy. It's very, very important, guys. All right, everybody. So if you want to get access to the Smart Algo indicator, visit the website and tap on the pricing page. And here's where you guys could subscribe to your desired plan. We're doing a 50% off discount on all plans, so make sure you take advantage of that. And if you want the chance to win a free Smart Algo lifetime subscription, make sure to follow our social medias and join our Discord server. Everything's free. You can simply press the links in the description of this video, have easy access to all our socials and our Discord server. And that will be the end of the video, guys. If you have any more suggestions or any videos you guys want to see on this channel, make sure to drop a comment down below, and that'll do it, guys. I'll see you all soon and take care.